Hello everyone, welcome back Royal Dairy YouTube channel. This is the brand of luxuries. The Ministry of the MEAT Government of India is and organizing the INUP I2i program for offline familiarization workshop on the nano fabrication and characterization June on the every campus on the IIT NITs. So this year this is announcing the IIT Madras, the INUP. Okay, iNUP means the Indian Nano Electric User Programming Idea to Innovation is sponsored by the MEAT Government of India. The main objective of iNUP to the Indian train high quality manpower open the national nano fabrication and castigation facilities to Indian academic and industrial research and development. So okay, this is a contain the three level of formalization. Learn about the facilities at CNNP IIT Madras. Work carried out the CNNP by faculty with the staff. Micro and nano fabrication and characterization. Overview of iNUP I2i. How to access CNP facilities of iNUP I2i. So first level 1 familiarization, level 2 hands-on session, and level 3 are the research and development projects. Okay, the familiarization is providing the exposing and awareness about the current research activities at the center. And second, hands-on session, the impact hands-on training in the nano electric to research from the other institution. Third one, the to provide support and expert guidance in the project exclusive and CNNP IIT Madras. So who are the eligibility? Master or doctorate student, the professional in academia industry interested in the pursuing research in the area of nano electronics, NEMS, nano photonics. Participation in level 1 mandatory for registered for the level 2 and on workshop is scheduled later. So register now. I can the link in given below, so you can use it. You can see the mobile number, email ID, website, important date and confirmation selection. All of you they meet now. And then